So what are we doing? Going for a little hike?
Yeah, I just googled this little spot called Will Rogers State Park. Just go for a bit of a walk up the hill, see what's on top, see if there's good views.
Have you been here before?
No, haven't been here before.
How are the legs after leg day yesterday hiking?
Oh, was that yesterday we trained legs?
Yeah, it was yesterday.
Oh yeah, not too bad because I didn't go too megatron heavy, but yeah, a little bit tender.
Walk it off now.
Yeah, we're gonna walk it off, do some runs, not.
And you saw some horses. What you reckon next time we went some horses?
Go for a trail ride.
Can you ride horses?
Well, it looks pretty easy. Yeah, I can ride horse.
Just jump on.
Slap on the ass and hold on pretty hard.
How's this hike going so far? Good? How are the legs? Oh, they're still attached.
Swollen.
Good.
They're pumped up.
They're popping through your pants there, I see.
Something else might be popping through.
So you're gonna go check out that inspiration point?
No, yeah. Santa Monica. Wait, I can see the marina. That's kind of near where I live.
Yeah.
And Venice, Santa Monica. And here's Pacific Malibu. What is that down that way?
Yeah, Malibu's down there.
Down there.
Probably the end of that mountain.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice up here.
Can you see Catalina? Oh, what's that island out there? Is that Catalina?
I think that's Catalina, right?
Maybe.
Have you ever been?
Nah.
That's a large stick.
It's studded.
It's like a javelin.
Oh,
You
yeah.
could pole vault with that thing.
It's actually really light.
What is it made out of, you reckon? Is that
Wood.
wood?
Hollow wood.
Is it a palm tree thing? Can
Oh. Should I break it?
you try here? Oh shit. What does it look like on the inside?
Like kind of foamy.
Interesting.
Javelin thing.
Yeah, just chuck it.
Okay, that way?
Yeah, I don't think anybody's down there.
Ow!
So what's going on now?
Well, stupid me, left my ignition on my bike and the battery's flat.
Oh crap.
So, and unfortunately on the muscle V-rods, I had to go buy an Allen key because they have these side vents are bolted or screwed in. So you can't just take the airbox cover off, you gotta unscrew.
They really make it a bit of a challenge, eh?
10 of these.
They don't make it easy for you.
No, the other V-rods, the night rods, you just literally unclip it. There's like a little, under the seat, there's like a little button here, a little screw like that.
Yeah.
That just pops off and you just pull it out like that.
You just
But
lift it up, but not with this one.
this one, no, they had to go ahead and put 10 screws in it. So good thing you came with this hike because you have those jumper leads in your car.
Oh yeah, what else would you have done, I guess? I would have just driven out or something anyway.
What would I have done?
I would have just come
You know,
out.
I would have called you. That's what I would have done.
How many screws are there?
There's 10, 5 on each side, unfortunately.
Jeez, is that thing just going to fall off?
Yeah, probably.
Does it just move out of the way or does it actually come off?
No, is there something else holding it down there? Oh no,
Oh.
it just pops off. See here? But
Yeah.
I think that hole, hopefully that shouldn't be an issue.
Yeah, it's a little Allen key one.
Yeah, pull this.
Damn, so you're going to remove 5 bolts from each side and remove that bolt underneath to get it off.
Well, I hope that I don't have to move that one underneath. I think that might just be part of the airbox cover.
Okay, I might just pivot.
Holding the might be just a bracket underneath. We'll see.
It's like an episode of Cal's Garage.
Except I don't have a garage, I just have a car park.
Cal's Bushland.
Yeah. At least it's not bad. At least it's not the side of a, well, you know,
It's like the 101 or
shitty,
something.
noisy street or car park. Something else.
Last screw of the day.
Not the last one.
Oh,
There it is.
you did it.
Yeah, see that?
Give it a little polish while you're there.
Yeah, it's a bit dusty.
So now if anybody wants to know how to get the jumper cables on their bike, you've now given them a little
If you
informational video.
If you have. Yeah, I know, because I YouTubed how to take the airbox cover off a muscle V-rod and there was nothing.
Well, now there will be something.
Now there will be something.
There'll be one video.
Title it, how to remove the airbox cover.
So what are we looking at here exactly?
A dead battery. Which is...
So that's the airbox?
Yeah, that's the air filter there. sometimes they do these things. Oh, this is come off. Anyway, you can do like what they call a topless conversion. And they actually normally, I think this has had one. I may have, because normally they've got a, or it might be different on the muscles, but normally they've got a cover and they remove the cover.
Yep.
I think this has had one. Yeah, it's got a chip. Yeah.
Oh, that
injection.
chip?
See that?
Yep.
And I think, I have to fucking look up. I'm pretty sure it just gives a bit more power output through the exhaust with the topless conversion or something.
Oh, nice.
I had it done more than Zilla.
Don't worry about that.
Just
tuck it to the side.
Yeah, just put it, stuff it back in. Yeah, that's right. We just cover it, chuck on, boom, bang.
Don't worry about that bit.
I don't know what that was.
Alright, just don't electrocute yourself there.
Yeah, what have you got here?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So the red goes on the red side?
Red goes on the red, black on black. Is that started? Is it?
Oh shit.
Yeah, there you go.
It works.
So the ignition's on, right, in your car?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it has to be. Oh, it's not?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
But we didn't turn it on last time and it worked, remember?
Oh, didn't you?
Nah.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, and then you just gotta get this in here. Like
Yep,
that.
red on red.
Positive on positive. And then this one here.
Now moment of truth. Oh, would you look at that?
Oh, magic.
It's like nothing ever happened.
It's a pain in the ass to get it started though. Just gotta let it run for a few minutes so I can charge the battery. Yeah. Sweet.
Good work.
Tell me about Calum von Moger
No.
in May.
In May?
Yeah, 'cause it's February now.
You tell me what's going on in May. I remember you told me something exciting. Is it off on or off? Oh, yeah.
It's on.
It's on.
Give them some cabs, you know?
Yeah, cars.
Show
No,
them.
give them quads.
Fuck yeah.
Just pull the pants down. No one's here, who cares?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
What do you think?
Look at that.
That's about the only feeling.
Put it on the side.
It's on. No, it's off.
That's on. This is on. Enjoyable.
It's the only feeling. Oh, you want to see a muscle? Oh yeah, look at that.
Frank? Frank? Amazing.
Frank and McGrath.
This is Frank. This is McGrath. This is McGrath, you know, right here. Frank! McGrath! Amazing. I love you guys. Dylan, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, pushing 2-minute pencils. How's those kicks there, right?
Yeah, so these are waterproof,
Really?
and then you could stab me in the bottom of the foot, and you won't get to me. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. What the hell? You know?
Do
Amazing.
you get a lot of like rocks and sticks that just fall down there sometimes?
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah.
When
And
you
sometimes
walk in the bush?
sometimes little animals.
Little animals?
Yeah, and then you survive on them and you eat them.
Like a sugar glider.
You skin them. Yeah, amazing, amazing. What's your spirit animal? Your top 3 spirit animals.
Mongoose,
Wow.
honey badger,
Yeah. Okay, so
the
the
aggressive
mongoose, the honey
mongoose.
badger.
Mongoose because they kill the snakes.
Yeah.
They're
the
fearless.
cobra doesn't have nothing on it.
And I've seen mongoose also like with the lions and shit. Like,
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, like
Wow.
try get away from the lion. They-
Wow. So this is your
you know.
spirit animal.
One more,
Yeah.
probably a rhino beetle or a rhinoceros beetle.
Like this big.
Because they can lift 1,000 million times their own body weight.
That should be like a shirt.
You'd never guess my spirit animals. No one.
No, no, no. No one would ever guess.
No one
you
would
know?
ever guess them.
Amazing.
Do you have a spirit animal?
You know, I'm still trying to summon one.
Right.
I have a friend, he was asked this question,
Yeah.
and he said, my spirit animal is a great white shark. And the guy who was asking him was like, I don't think you understand. No, it's got to be a bear or a lion. He said, no, the great white shark. It swims, it hunts, it eats, and it makes baby sharks. The great white shark. And I'm like, listen, I can't be on board with that. It's a fantastic thing, but I can't do it.
I'm pretty sure a seal does the same thing, but it just makes baby seals.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you for being muscular.
no.
Look at this fantastic.
It's coming. It's
Show
working.
them the split on the side of your neck.
Here?
Split, the handle.
They're two. Oh no, that's.
Yeah. Split. Buzz, where's Buzzsaw? He had to split. Amazing. He has no weak
It's
points.
coming.
This summer's gonna be
It's on the
sick.
Okay.
Ready?
It's gonna be so sick.
Summer of Moger.
Yeah, mate.
Wait till you guys see what's happening this May.
Oh.